Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Ahead of next week's Apple event, display supply chain consultants released a report touting the superiority of the OLED screens on the new iPad Pro tablets. DSCC says the new Apple iPad Pros will sport LTPO OLED screens with a high 120Hz refresh rate, and ultra-thin and light panels that boast high brightness, longer battery life, and extended lifespan. So according to DSCC, these OLED panels are the best money can buy. A 2022 report by ET News indicated that these OLED panels could be manufactured by a dry etching process that helped Apple design thinner and lighter panels with unrivaled image quality. The switch to OLED for the iPad Pro lineup comes almost 7 years after Apple used the display technology on the iPhone X, and almost a decade after the first generation Apple Watch. Pro models will be available in 12.9-inch and 11.1-inch sizes, with both options to feature slimmed-down bezels and a much thinner design. The 12.9-inch version, there is a possibility that the 11.1-inch iPad Pro will be in short supply at launch because Apple has been dealing with light leakage issues that are not impacting the 12.9-inch model. Along with the best OLED display on the market, the iPad Pro models could get Apple's next-generation AI-optimized M4 chip, and they are expected to ship alongside a new Apple Pencil and an updated version of the Magic Keyboard. Apple will also introduce new 10.9-inch and 12.9-inch LCD iPad Air models. The event will see one of the biggest updates to the iPad lineup in years, with the iPad Pros adopting OLED panels and an updated design that has a landscape FaceTime camera. Be prepared to fork out more this year as the new iPad Pros are tipped to have higher price points. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.